Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add WooCommerce sections to your homepage. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages, then All Pages, and click Edit on your homepage. If your theme supports the WordPress block editor Gutenberg, you can easily add WooCommerce sections using ready-made blocks. Click the plus icon to add a new block, then search for WooCommerce. You'll see several options like featured product, best-selling products, latest products, on sale products, product categories. Just click on the block you want to add, and it will appear on your homepage. You can also rearrange the sections by dragging them up or down, depending on where you want them to appear. Once you're happy with the layout, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now, when you visit your website, you'll see your WooCommerce sections like featured products or categories beautifully displayed right on your homepage. And that's it now. You know how to add WooCommerce sections to your homepage quickly and easily using blocks or Elementor. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.